Morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm pretty well, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm good. So, anything before starting the session that you would like to tell me? Any point that we should be working on?
Point. I read on daily basis, and I listen to podcast. I listen to English related stuffs, and I speak on daily basis. Having said that, I fumble. I run out of word. I run out of thought, and what other I should be doing, and I try to explore related to English every time, and I keep on attending the classes out here on English area as well. Uh, it would be, I think, 272 or something else session I have completed till now. And after finishing, actually, I'm left with I think 21 session now.
Hmm.
And after finishing this enrollment, I'm gonna renew again. So, what other I should be doing for the sake of my English, and what should I do to become a eloquent speaker? And when the time will come when I would be able to articulate my thought, and my idea would be coherent, and when the time will come.
That's a very hypothetical question. When will the time come? Because this is only practice and practice. However, I would like to ask you one thing that what is your usage of English at your work and at your home?
uh, I do talk with my spouse, with my kid, and whenever, wherever I get time, and wherever I get situation to demonstrate myself in English language, so I try to demonstrate. But when it comes to English in my company, so everybody talks in Hindi only. I don't
Hmm.
have environment of English, and whenever I attend training session and even during meeting time, they do not prefer to talk in English. So
Achha.
I would say that I don't have environment English as well.
I really wonder why is this happening at workplaces these days. But this is the scenario. I mean, life is life. We have to take it as it is coming to us. So it's okay. Don't worry. The time will come soon. We are here at English Yari to help you always in this journey of speaking English when and where, whatever
Because
you want.
I'm little bit worried. I'm little bit worried that I have pushed the boat out for the English till now, and it is not a piece of cake for someone that.
Look, Sanjay, I
Uh,
would simply tell you one thing. I will just quote a personal example here. I don't know if you would
yeah.
uh, really love to even listen to it as well, but yes, I will share something with you. Generally, we are accustomed to speaking our own language, जिसको कहते हैं हमें अच्छा लगता है, right?
Exactly.
So I think that is what is happening at your workplace also. Though people should be speaking in English, but they are speaking in their home language because the comfort level is yes more. So I'll just tell you one thing. I was out to see my children for 2 months, 2.5 months actually, and I was there in a completely English speaking country. And you know what? Everywhere I used to go, like every single thing, of course, English was the only medium of communication. And because even with kids also, because most of the times either they are working or they are doing something else or the other, so Hindi was like very used very less. But at one point of time, I really used to want to speak in Hindi. Okay, because there were lesser areas, because the place where they live, it is closely, there are very less Indians over there. So we generally find a lot of um, English speaking people only there. So there were times when I used to tell my children, please हिंदी में ही बात करनी है. ओके. सो ये एक जो कहते हैं ना, हमारा जो कंफर्ट जोन है वो उसी लैंग्वेज के साथ एक है.
Comfort
हाँ,
zone.
इंग्लिश.
Comfort zone.
या इंग्लिश को बोलना बोलना बोलना, इट at one point of time, yes, we will be, and okay, in this journey of speaking English continuously for this period of time, even I used to think, Abhi, what should I speak? So maybe it was not fumbling, but yes, that problem of not finding the correct word was something which generally troubles. And one amazing thing about those people, also, I can tell you, they are the poorest ones in English grammar. All the tenses which they speak is jumble jack only. So we are far better than anybody who can speak English. Yeah, we are quite better than them. So don't stress so much. We speak really, really well. Don't worry about it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Actually, I think I believe I'm expecting too much, and within short period of time, I want to enhance my communication skill, and I want to achieve more. I think I shouldn't be thinking like that, and it is kind of language. It will take time. I think it is not an overnight journey that you will take
Definitely,
some
definitely.
pills and you will start speaking. But sometime
And this is also an
I feel
this is also an art, actually. Art in the sense that it should actually be taken as, it should be carried as an attitude. It should not be taken as something jisko karne mein you need to put a lot of pressure. No. For example, if I'm wearing this shirt today, I'm wearing it with that attitude, right? Okay, that I'm looking good in it. If I'm wearing something and I'm not feeling comfortable wearing it, I'll definitely shrug it off, and I'll wear something else. So English should also be taken as an attitude rather than anything else, because you need to keep this thing in mind. Okay, I'm a very beautiful speaker. What is the problem with me? Right? So, first of all, develop that attitude that, okay, I'm an amazing speaker, and then it will
yes.
generally easily come to you. Let's talk about a very, very interesting topic today: artificial
Yes.
intelligence. How much do you connect with this topic? How
This is
much
the
do you
talk of
connect
the
with?
town nowadays.
Hmm.
This is the talk of the town, and like it has become part and parcel of life nowadays because um I used to explore the thing on Google. Now I have started exploring the things on Chat GPT, and I was
Oh,
introduced by my son as well, actually he told me about ChatGPT when he got to know that we have ChatGPT. I think now you should be using ChatGPT rather than using Google. So since then,
yeah.
I have become habitual of using ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini. So mostly I use
Hmm.
ChatGPT for the sake of content creation. And apart from these, yeah, I do not use anything like chat. Look, like seldom I use Google. Nowadays, ChatGPT I use on daily basis.
So that's only one area of AI, that is that you are using it for content and for your study and maybe for your work purposes. That's only one area of AI. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
AI is
yes,
there.
yes.
It is, I
Look,
would say
now
AI is,
I have started using. Go ahead, man, go ahead.
no, no, you say, I'll come up again. You can continue.
I, I used to use Google. Seldom I used to use, but nowadays I have started using a lot ChatGPT. Uh, I'm not using my mental ability.
Exactly.
So sometimes I
That's
feel
what I was
that
coming.
I'm losing my mental ability. And now,
Yeah.
for the
That's what I'm
sake
coming.
of easy thing, I have started using ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm. So that's only one area, that is content creation and work. So I would say that AI, artificial intelligence, it's omnipresent, which means that it is everywhere. Even like you and me are talking, this is through an AI generated bot only, right? The electricity, the air conditioners, every new thing, the phones, whatever I'm talking to you, my phone is listening. Probably towards the end, I will start getting more advertisements and all the things related to this thing only. So AI is everywhere. So when something is everywhere, we say it is omnipresent, right? So today I would just like to ask,
Omnipresent,
ubiquitous
ubiquitous.
is also another thing. That is, ubiquitous is that it is universally true. I'm talking about the presence. That's why the word is omnipresent. Okay.
Oh,
If we say it is a ubiquitous fact, it means that it is a true fact, or there is no denial in this fact. Okay. This also we can use for the usage of AI. That's okay. So let's come to fashion, because this is something which I was going through in the morning, because there is an actress that expired. I can't remember the name of that female. She was only 42 years old, and yes, she expired in the that was the news, and she
yeah,
was an
Sefali,
icon in.
Sefali Jariwala.
Yeah, yeah, yes, Shifali. And she was a very fashionable female, so it was all, I mean, there was a reel which was talking about her fashion sense and everything. So let's talk about, so that's why fashion is in my mind. I've given you the background why fashion is there in my head. So let's talk about fashion and AI. Okay, did you go through that news of Prada using Kolhapuri chappals and doing ramp walk on the stage? Have you gone through this news? Hello.
Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello. Am I
Can you hear
audible?
me well?
You are audible, ma'am. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So did you
Hello.
go through that news of Prada fashion? In the fashion week which is going on, and Prada has used Indian Kolhapuri chappals, and it has become the biggest fashion trend there.
I have heard about Indian Kolhapuri chappal, but I don't know about Prada. What is this?
Prada is it's an international brand. It's a very expensive brand. Okay, generally
Oh,
it's generally 90% it's for the ladies' handbags. However,
okay.
it's a very exquisite brand like Chanel. So it's a heavy priced brand actually. So in the Paris
Okay.
Fashion Week, they have used the Indian Kolhapuri chappals, and they one chappal is, I think, based at it's priced at around 1.50 lakh rupees INR. Okay,
Oh,
so that is how they have created certain images to talk about the fashion. Okay, so if you can tell me something about fashion and AI, how are they connected to each other? Any idea?
Asian and A. I'm getting some network glitches.
You can rejoin, that's not a problem. You can rejoin.
Okay. Yes.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, yeah. Now it is okay.
Okay, so fashion and AI.
Fashion and AI. Everybody is using AI. They might have been using AI in fashion as well. How to uh, how to
Okay,
design.
I will make it very simple for you. You, what
Yeah,
does AI do generally? You use Chat GPT on regular basis.
yeah,
If
yes.
you ask Chat, so if you ask Chat GPT to design a picture, will it do it for you?
Yeah, it will design and it will give some picture. Sometime I do ask about to create the picture. However, it is taking time, and earlier it used to give the picture, but nowadays it has stopped giving a picture because I think a lot of people might have been creating the
No, no,
picture.
no.
So
You have to actually upgrade it. So once you pay
okay.
for the yearly subscription, you will get it
Mhm.
in seconds. Don't worry.
Yes, 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 yes. I have to pay because I'm using free version of
Yeah,
ChatGPT.
so you have to
That's
upgrade
why.
it. Yeah, so you have to upgrade
Yeah.
it. I have actually used this. I have, like, it's not mine; it's my son's account. So the paid version, it runs like a horse. In second, you are
Okay.
just thinking, and it is giving you the illustration. Yeah, so I was
Exactly.
I why I remember this, because I was making a presentation on cancer, and I was running short of ideas. I did not have much time. I had to finish it in 30 minutes only and give the presentation as well. So I used his account, and I could see the magic. In 10-15 minutes, I was through. and I was able to
Okay.
give. And the pictures were amazing. I mean, amazing pictures. You can't
Okay.
find these pictures on Google. So the paid account works really well. That's okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
now
definitely that.
I'll tell you about um, how can AI help in fashion. Okay, for example, let's say you are deciding for a dress and you have to wear it for a wedding. Now you have got certain illustrations in your mind. Maybe you want an upper like what Salman Khan is wearing. You want a lower of, let's say, beige color in some certain specification. So you just have to keep on giving the keywords to AI,
Right.
and the picture that will come out will you will not get one picture. You will get at least 4 to 5 replicas of the same thing. So he will ask you, would you like to have some amendations in the first picture? Then you again type the keywords. So the second one again, you have the changes in the third one. So finally you get a perfect thing. However, this cannot happen when you're doing it manually, because the brain will stop working. Do you agree to this thing?
Exactly. Exactly. I agree. I agree.
Yeah, so that's why fashion and AI, they have got a very deep connection with each other, because people can collaborate, or maybe people can amalgamate a lot of different fashion styles and create one for themselves. Okay, and that is why fashion is actually progressing by leaps and bounds now. And if you can see, in one dress you can have glimpses of different cultures. Try it.
Right.
I'll give you this as a homework. Maybe you can chat. You can add this prompt of create a dress using different cultures, or different cultures of the 12 states of India, and have a look at the kind of beautiful dress that you will get. Try it today.
Okay. But I have to take subscription for that, I think. Then ChatGPT will provide me
You
picture
can give it a try.
without even.
You can give it a try. Maybe you're lucky enough that ChatGPT is gracious on you today, and it creates a picture for you.
Exactly, yes. Because actually, I don't have much work to do, and I thought that I shouldn't be paying. I shouldn't be subscribing because I don't have much work related to ChatGPT. For the sake of content creation,
Hmm.
uh, I do use, and when I'm in company,
I
if
I
my
would also
superiors is
suggest you to not use ChatGPT for content, because this will actually hamper your idea generation capacity. So every time you
yes.
need to think about something, you will be having only one thing in mind. Oh, that's so easy. I will just type a few words and the content is ready. So I would say it is actually paralyzing the minds of the people, because it is
Exactly. So we are aware. I am aware that I shouldn't use ChatGPT much. But what about Gen Zs? What about new generation? Those who are very much indulged in ChatGPT, and for the sake of tiny thing, they are using ChatGPT and they are getting the answer. So what would be the mental ability of them actually?
Of course,
I'm
yes.
little bit.
That is why such kind of softwares have to be banned, and parents need to take care that I would not say banned, but yes, there should be a restriction on using of these softwares. And Sanjay, not even this thing, I would say that the education system is getting hampered. Okay, how old are your kids actually?
He's 15 actually. He's in 10th grade.
Yeah, so he's also at a very crucial age. I can tell
Yes.
you, 4 years ago, I went to see my son. He has graduated in cyber security, and he told me 4 years ago that you will see, mom, that after 2 3 years there will be such a big change in the world that 90% of the content writers will become jobless. And I had no idea about what he was speaking. And he was saying, he told me, wait for 2 years, you will have something. Because I always used to tell him, work here, work in this company, work in this company. And he used to tell me, let me complete some certifications, because what I have done, it will be a complete obsolete stream after 2 years. So let me work on more certifications, and then I will go in for a job. Now, because that is something which was foreseen by the students in those universities at that point of time, and exactly the same thing happened. Chat GPT was introduced, A lot of other AI tools were introduced, and actually, the content writers have become jobless.
Exactly. Yes.
So that is the beauty of foreseeing, actually. So that what I like as a career counselor, also I tell all the people who come to me that please check on the applications that your kids use in phones. It is not a good thing of what is happening around to them. We are actually paralyzing their brains, and as parents we are the culprits.
Like like every time they are using, and how can we restrict actually, how can we advise that you shouldn't be using, because uh, now it has become a habit of them actually, and every time, and he's using, actually I have bought laptop as well, new laptop. Actually during summer vacation he told me that I will learn how to do video editing. So
Hmm.
for the sake of video editing, I had bought laptop, and now without laptop he can't do anything.
I
He
know.
always try to study by using laptop only, and he always use Chat GPT. And
Really?
I
Do you
I
have any idea about what is plagiarism?
plagiarism,
Yeah.
plagiarism. I'm not getting.
No. So plagiarism is using edited content online by students to make their own work and make their own assignments. And the universities, they actually suspend you if you have any plagiarized content while you're submitting your worksheets or your assignments and everything. So this people who are living abroad, the students actually who are living abroad, they know that they can't use any kind of a plagiarized content, so they abstain from doing these things, and they keep on doing the things as per their own research modules. In India, because everything that comes, it is only like a rat race. Okay, you are using chat gpt, I will do it, because only one aspect of technology is being used. Now, there are a lot of other apps that actually check if the content is plagiarized or not. And in 1 second, the people can come, I mean, the examiners or the researchers can come to know that this content is plagiarized, and your assignments are not being checked and everything. So let's say after 1 or 2 years, the children in India also will come to know that whatever they are doing is wrong. They will themselves stop it. Okay.
Okay.
So we are using Chat GPT for content generation. For to check the plagiarism, there is another app called Zero Chat GPT. You can try it. I'm giving you this homework. Try it.
Okay.
Get something. Okay, take this thing. What do I say? This topic of the influence of fashion. Sorry, the influence of AI on fashion. Okay, type this on Chat GPT. Get a paragraph around 200 words. Now, put this paragraph on Word. Save it. Okay. Open the other application called Zero Chat GPT. Put
Okay.
the entire copy paste the entire thing on Zero Chat GPT, and you will find it is 100% plagiarized. So that means that is not created by you. You cannot use it anywhere. Okay, at least in
Okay.
academic things you cannot use it. So use these examples and make your children understand that whatever you are doing is wrong. Your brain will stop working, your vocabulary will become zero, your thought processes will
Yeah.
become zero. Being a father, being parents, this is our major responsibility, what we have to teach our children.
Yes, yes, because it is trending nowadays. Everybody is telling that if you don't have if you don't have knowledge about Chat GPT and AI, so you will suffer. And definitely, if you are in company, and so definitely they will expel you. And because those who are adroit at AI and all these things, so they will replace you. And such types, somehow they are keep on
that is
listening.
a,
And
that is an entirely different concept. We are talking about chat gpt in education, you are talking about chat gpt at workplace to improve your proficiency. This is an entirely different concept. Yes,
exactly,
I
yes.
will. Okay, the time is getting over. In the next class I will tell you what kind of AI tools you should be using to upgrade the usage of AI at your workplaces so that you are in the competitive market. Okay,
Yeah.
what people have perceived out of chat gpt is only one thing. Let's find out some content to write, maybe write an email, maybe write some content. That is, chat gpt is not restricted to content only. Okay,
Right.
so let's say software development was something which was the most hot stream chosen by students at one point of time, but now this stream has got saturated. Now you will not get much of the jobs in these areas. Now what children should be focusing on are the different content creations for AI, not only chat gpt but entire AI. So that is something which is the upcoming need of the next hour. So that
Right.
futuristic approach should be taken into account.
Okay. And what is the concept about in 10th grade? Government has announced that they are going to conduct two-time board examinations. So,
Yeah.
what is your stance towards this? Too?
I would,
What is this?
I would, I am not very happy with this decision because we have been into this. I would say the country has been in this chakra of a yearly board education system since we got independence, and immediately introducing that that bi yearly education, this examination system, it is going to create a lot of problems for the students. I don't know how are they going to conduct it and how it is going to happen, but again the productivity is going to reduce. That is my stance on this thing. I'm not very happy with this decision.
I don't know what is going. They are going to implement from this time. Actually, they are going to conduct it.
As a father, I would suggest you, Sanjay, make your children that confident and that uh, what do I say, mm, equipped, that much equipped that whatever is the situation, they should be able to face it. They should not have to depend on anything to cross any level. That should be the only thing which, and that can be done if the basics of any child are very clear. You should not have to depend on one thing. Again, if I'm depending on Google to find out answers to this thing, then that means if that dependency is gone, you are gone. So you should be equipped with everything that
Exactly.
you need at one point
Right.
of time.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
I think the session was more on children rather than on speaking to.
Yes. 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 It is also a kind part of practice.
It is, yes. So we can actually continue with this thing and the tools for AI in the upcoming session, because that is also very, very important that people should be knowing. And if you are a blog reader, please read something on the tools for the effective implementation of AI. You will have a lot of content to speak then.
For sure. For sure.
Right. Anything you want to
Okay.
ask apart from this?
Okay, sir. Ma'am, this much is enough for today.
All right. Have a nice day.
Okay. Have a great day, ma'am. Bye.